Good morning, and welcome to TID's Cryptocurrency News Roundup. Or should I say, good morning to a new day, where the crypto market does its own thing, and we just roll with it. We've got a packed show for you today, covering everything from potential catalysts for Bitcoin's growth to the ongoing challenges facing the crypto market. So let's dive in and see what's hot and what's not in the world of cryptocurrency. Bitcoin investor and billionaire Mike Novogratz believes that a dovish Federal Reserve policy under a new chair could be a significant catalyst for the cryptocurrency's growth. He stated that Bitcoin could potentially reach $200,000 if the Fed adopts a highly accommodative stance. This prediction comes as a potential leadership change at the Fed looms, which could impact monetary policy and have a positive impact on Bitcoin prices. However, Bitcoin is struggling to rally above $110,000 despite positive macroeconomic trends that have boosted stock prices. Investors are turning to traditional assets like gold and stocks for stability, which is capping Bitcoin's price. To overcome this barrier, Bitcoin will need to demonstrate renewed investor interest and a clear recovery strategy. In other news, a recent report by Moody's highlights the growing concern of cryptoization, where the increasing use of stablecoins undermines traditional monetary policies and bank deposits in emerging markets. The report urges governments to establish clear and consistent regulations to mitigate these risks and protect their economies from the potential negative impacts of cryptoization. Let's take a bite out of the latest blockchain news with Blockchain Bites. TID's joke is, why did the Bitcoin go to therapy? Because it was struggling to mine its emotions, but found a block to its feelings with a $30 billion collateralized loan. Moving on, a record $18 billion in Bitcoin options is set to expire, potentially triggering delayed volatility in the crypto markets. Analysts predict that this significant event may lead to price movements over the weekend. Market participants should be cautious and monitor the situation closely. Crypto companies require access to traditional banking services to operate effectively. Despite the rise of cryptocurrencies, these companies are still businesses that need to pay employees, store funds, and access liquidity. By integrating with banks and payment service providers, crypto companies can better manage their finances and focus on growth and development. The month of April saw significant losses in the crypto sphere, totaling $161 million. Four alarming trends to be aware of include supply chain attacks, private key exploits, flash loan attacks, and smart contract exploits. These trends underscore the need for improved security measures and best practices in the Web3 space to protect users' assets. North Korea's hackers, known as Ept43, use stolen cryptocurrency to mine more cryptocurrency through cloud services, a process known as cloud washing. This allows them to launder their dirty crypto and turn it into brand new, untainted coins. In the DeFi space, Oracle manipulation remains a growing concern, with Chainlink seeing a massive drop in total value, locked TVL, from $56.7 billion to $8.7 billion in 2022, a loss of $48 billion. We've just scratched the surface of TID's cryptocurrency news, but we're not done yet. We have stories about North Korea using cloud services to launder stolen crypto, the dark triad of dating, conspiring dictators, and more. Of course, we also have stories about Kryptonite, a Web3 social media network that's powering expertise and influence across a global network. The CPRO token sale is exclusive and limited in availability, specifically for Kryptonite originals. Finally, let's talk about the top 250 Web3 companies to watch and some inside intelligence on what's happening in the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for tuning into our cryptocurrency news roundup. Remember to stay safe in the decentralized finance ecosystem and blockchain world. And don't forget to keep an eye on those crypto prices. You never know when they'll turn around. Stay informed, stay safe, and we'll catch you all in the next episode.